And I can't do my dance cause my parents say, oh, they from France. So that bitch to dance. Kofi Uzi.
YouTube family, what is good? It's your boy Sold Out. And as y'all see, I got the lean up, bro. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my head is a lot smaller but bigger. I got the nut, for real, but I figured, bruh, I've been watching all these videos on YouTube and I'm like, man, bruh, like everybody got waves and a lot of people say they waves is coarse, bruh, but like, are they? Are they? Like, think about it, for real, are they? Are 360 Jeezy waves coarse? No, sir, no. Those are like, to me, that's a medium waver, like, bruh. I think I might be honestly the coarsest waver on YouTube. Now, I waved before, like in high school, 2017, I had waves. I didn't get too far, I really only did it for prom, bro, but one thing that I noticed is that everybody pretty much had bigger waves than me, bro, so. Today is day 2, it's the morning. I just got my haircut yesterday, I had dreads before, and I did see a few ripples, I was brushing and stuff like that, so let's unrag and see what we got up under here, man. My do-rag did fall off in the middle of the night, so I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was sick about it too. Like, look, I got all the stuff from my bed on it, bro. It fell off. Now, y'all, before I take this off, do not bake me, bro. Because if you bake me, I'm baking you back, bro. I'm not none of these other YouTubers, you heard me? I'm not. But look, y'all can already see the nut. All right, y'all boys, y'all ready for this? I'm gonna make it dramatic. I'm gonna take one off at a time. I'm gonna make it real dramatic. See me spinning, you hear me? I really ain't spinning yet, but like I said, bro, I think I may be the coarsest waver on YouTube. I just might be. Look at that, like, really only. When I cut my hair, waves only really be on the top. I think it's a different texture, bro. Like, back. Oh, got the do-rag line. Can't even really tell, but yeah. So, I got a couple brushes before, before the thing happened. I got a couple brushes, you feel me? I got me a Diane. This is a soft brush with the curve. And then I got me another Diane. And I got this one, cause let's be real, y'all boys know. If you got waves before, you know the magic of this butter brush right here. It's a medium brush, by the way. Now, honestly, it really don't feel too off from this one, bro. But yeah, that's what I got. And then this time I got some light Moris, bro. Because I usually get like regular Moris and it's super heavy. Like if you use that joint, then you know what I'm talking about, bro. So they got light Moris. I was like, merch, they done evolved away again since I've been out here, you hear me? But yeah, y'all know we rocking. We got the Bow Wow do-rag. Y'all should see bro on the box. Be funny as hell. But yeah, I'm gonna throw in a little quick brush sesh for y'all boys. Let y'all kind of see where we at. Yeah, I think I might be the coarsest waver on YouTube, bro. Like, all bull aside, I think I literally might be the coarsest waver. My waves is kind of skinny, bro. Like I'm African or something. No offense, because some of the Africans be having thicker waves than me, bro. My waves just don't get that thick, I guess. I guess that's why dudes with my type of hair get the thought cut. Man, but I don't care, bro. Watch. I'm finna be the best coarse waver on YouTube. Now, these is coarse waves, bro. Like, you don't see nothing now, but they're coarse. So I'm gonna put y'all boys on the right way, you heard me? And as y'all notice, like when I'm brushing, this ain't really a tutorial or nothing, but my brushing, I'm doing like that. I'm trying to keep straight strokes. Last time I got waves, bro, I had a hella forks in my shirt. I had to comb it out and like it, the comb, like it took forever to try to get those forks out, so. This time I'm gonna try to do them straight. So my back, I'm kind of just brushing out straight, you heard me? And I'm brushing for my crown. This time I also wanna be more aware of my crown, bro. I had that bald spot last time. So you see that right there, like that? Let me see, right there. Now I can kind of tell that go forwards. Like, I don't know, you just gotta work. My bad, y'all, the video ended. But like I was saying, you just gotta kind of work, you gotta work your crown around. And that's what I didn't do last time. Last time I just kept brushing. Now they usually say get your waves first, then worry about your crown. But me, I've been trying to just I've been kind of trying to do both, bro, because I want it all to come in at one time, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is my soft brush. This boy feel real good. I ain't really been brushing too much with the medium since I got the fresh cut. This low-key been like kind of, I don't know if you can see how irritated it is, but it's like low-key been kind of irritating my hair, bro, brushing with that that medium brush. So I've just been using the softy. It feel the same, honestly. But yeah, y'all boys, what y'all think? When the waves start coming in more, y'all gonna see a little bit more of my pattern, so y'all gonna know like I'm really a coarse waver. But I just wanted to kind of give y'all a little introduction, you feel me? So day 2, this that medium. It feel good, but it just, you know, it hurt, bro. Like, it hurt on the sides. It's too early. But like I said, I don't know if y'all can see it in the video. I can see it in person, but like, I'm getting a little bit of ripples. You feel me? I'm getting a little bit of ripples. Just nothing too crazy right now. And then I've been also implementing that plastic bag method, no cap, y'all. Cause I used to love doing this last time. This used to lay the boys down, you heard me. So yeah, I'm gonna drop like some methods and stuff like that. I just kind of wanted to give y'all a little intro, letting y'all know I'm starting my waves now. Y'all can be scared. You're simple as that, bro. But yeah, if you're new to the page, man, if you're new watching, welcome to the game, bro. This whole crew, and we get jiggy, bro. So if you're new to the page, if you just viewing the video, bro, if you ain't never seen none of my content before, welcome. Thank you for viewing my videos, man. I just ask that you leave a like and that you subscribe and join the Soul Crew family, man. It's lit over here, boy, and we only going up. So thank y'all for watching, man. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so y'all can see when I post. Subscribe and like the video. Thanks, y'all. Peace.